Hello guys, today we are going to do an interesting comparison between BS6 models of Suzuki Access 125 and Suzuki Bergman 125. In this comparo, I am planning to tell you guys which type of buyers should go for Access 125 and which type of buyer should go for Bergman. So let's start without any further delay. Let's talk about the looks first. Access focuses on that charming retro theme with old school looking but sophisticated LED headlamp DRL combo at the front and flowing non-LED tail lamp at the rear. Indicators at the front and back are non-LED ones though. So if you like retro styled non-offensive looking scooters, Access is the one for you in terms of looks. Bergman 125 takes the cue from Suzuki's international Bergman range of touring scooters. It looks purposeful, modern and bulky and makes you feel like you are looking at a vehicle from a segment above. You get large LED headlamp DRL combo here as well, and at the rear you get snazzy looking LED tail lamp. Large front indicators are mounted on the apron and looks good, but both front and rear indicators are non-LED unit like Access 125. So if you want a vehicle with better road presence, Bergman is the vehicle for you. Now let's talk about another key factor: seating and comfort. Access has a slightly lower seat at 773mm compared to Bergman's 780mm. Also, seat width is slightly larger in the case of Bergman and provides better comfort during long rides. Another factor is the leg space. You get plenty of legroom in Access and even 6-footers wouldn't face any issues with the legroom here. But Bergman takes the crown here with the flexi foot position, which really helps you to give that relaxed riding position during those long highway rides. I have covered 685 km on a Bergman on a single day and can vouch for its overall riding comfort. So if you prefer mainly city rides and occasional highway rides, take the Access 125 as it is lighter than Bergman by around 4 to 5 kg, which will make zipping through the traffic an easy affair. But if you want to do more highway rides, don't look further and get the Bergman as it is one of the comfiest long ride scooters available in the market now. Coming to IP and storage, Access here follows the same retro theme and gets analog dial with large eco mode indicator and digital display below. Bergman houses easy to read and well lit all digital unit but lacks on eco mode indicator. Access will give you one cubby hole plus 12-watt charging socket nearby. But Bergman beats Access here with glove box that has default charging socket on the left and open cubby hole on the right. Both Access and Bergman get segment leading 21-liter underseat storage, but Access will give you external fuel filler cap, whereas Bergman has an underseat fuel filler cap. Bergman has a large 5.5-liter fuel tank compared to 5-liter fuel tank of Access. So if you prefer more storage, larger fuel tank and funky looking IP unit, get the Bergman, but if you like retro themed dials of Access, external fuel filler cap and doesn't mind lesser storage space, get the Access 125. Wheels and tires. Both Access and Bergman gets identical suspension and tire setup at the front and the rear. Bergman gives you 190mm disc brake at the front as standard, whereas in the case of Access, disc brake is available only in mint and special edition variants. Both Access and Bergman gets combi braking system as standard. Engine and transmission. Both vehicles get the same 125cc fuel injected engine configuration, the same power and torque output. You get 8.7 bhp of power and 10 Nm of torque. Due to lower weight, Access has slightly better initial acceleration, but Bergman has better top end, making it better suitable for long highway rides. Both vehicles will get you a mileage of up to 60 kmpl depending upon your riding style. Handling and braking. Both has identical chassis and brake setup and are one of the best handling scooters in the segment. Both Access and Bergman feels nimble and agile in cities and stable on highways. Brakes offer good bite and combi braking reduces the chance of rear brake locking up under hard braking condition. Price. Depending on the location and variants, Access is cheaper than Bergman anywhere between 6,000 to 10,000 rupees. So in the end, it depends on your preference. If you want a charming retro style no-nonsense scooter that is excellent value for money, get the Access 125. But if you need a bit more comfort, style and planning to go for those long trips, get Bergman 125 without any second thought. If you like this video, do not forget to subscribe to our channel Reviewing Indian. Thanks for watching.